this thing on? This thing on? We live, we on? Alright. Cool. Alright, well, welcome to the channel, man. Yeah, so what we're doing, we're gonna be in the 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Well, first of all, let me say, hey, welcome to the channel. Yeah, so we're just cruising in the 2010 Jeep Wrangler. And what's that? We got a bus here. What's going on? Yep. Here we go. All right, so I got 32 Mickey Thompsons on here, so probably hear a little bit better once we get past this bus. I like the little hum to it. I don't know if you can hear that right there. Can you hear that? We're gonna get up about 60 up here in a little bit. Let's see, we ride at about 40 right now. So right there, quiet spot. But yeah, I like the little hum to it. But yeah, I put a 4-inch lift on it back in February, and hadn't really decided what I want to do, man. I don't know. I'm real indecisive about that. I've looked and looked and looked. I don't know. First off, well, I still got the original factory rims on here even. So I'll put a picture on there. But so I still got the I think they're 7.5 wide. So I got 32 and a half inch tires on here. But I want to go to a 37, but I don't know if I want to go 18s or 20s. So, and right now I also got the dadgummit, what you call it, the makes you tires stick out a little bit. I can't think of it right now off the top of my head. But anyhow, anyway, I want to go do a 37, and I hadn't decided if I want to do the 18s or 20s, because obviously the 18 is going to give it that beefy look, and the 20 is going to make it thinner in appearance. So I don't know. But I don't know, man. That's where I'm at with that. But anyway, so a couple things I've done to it that I really get a lot of compliments about, I'll show it to you, is I put on the Angry Bird grill, is what I call it. My son, my 10-year-old, that's what he calls the Angry Bird grill. And that's think that's what they refer to it as. But anyway, it's pretty tight. And I got it. I bought it used, obviously. 2010. It's right now. It's only got 66K on it, man. Super sweet. All right, so hear that? We right at we doing. Oh shoot, man. We only doing 50 right now. So hear that? Hey, bub. We'll check out this anti-shake on this iPhone too, won't we? That's shaking like a bit. A little bit. Alright, but anyway, so yeah, I bought it, so it's got that cool bumper on it. I'm gonna eventually put a winch on there. I've got the Halo LED that everybody hates now. I'm gonna tell you this, guys. If you switch to LED on your headlights, get ready for this. People are gonna be like flashing the heck out of you, man. And I guess too, with a lift, the higher up you are, it really beams in on them. So I'd be like, get ready for people flash the heck out of me, man. I'm only, like I said, I got a 4-inch lift right now on 32s, or 33s, whatever you want to call it, 32 and a half. I mean, I guess they call them 33s. Man, people are like, bleep, 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 bleep. I get it all day since I put them on. But so once everything gets squared up, it's going to be in the daytime, did we figure that out? I think we figured that out. No? I don't know. My boys are supposed to be figured that out. But anyway, so I've got the Halo LEDs, and I just got my fog lights, or the blinker blinker LEDs, and I'm gonna do the fog. The fogs are in the big black, the steel bumper there. So I hadn't done those yet, but I got to put my park lights, if you will, in on that. I just ain't got them. I mean, put them in yet. I got them. And then I put my SOS or OS handles on there. My road, those are pretty smooth. I like those. Yep. So that's really only the. And I'll tell you another cool mod, man, that was didn't cost squat, but freaking cost more in man hours and freaking broken backs than anything, was the rear seat. I know when you climb into these things, man, the rear seat makes you feel like your head is sticking up in the front seat. So there's a little kit. It is basically just some wedges that go underneath the feet of the rear seat, and it actually gives it, they say it's like a 2-inch recline. I don't think so. I didn't really measure it. I probably should have, but I'm thinking more of like maybe, I don't know, man, maybe 1.25 inches, maybe. I mean, inch, maybe. Anyway, it made a difference, though. It really did. For me, especially because, I'm 6'3", 6'4" before the operation, but when I would sit back, I'm sitting back now more, but when I get in there, I feel like I was sitting up forward, man. I feel like I was eating the dang lice out the man's head in front of me. But anyway, So sitting back in that seat, or with the wedges in there, makes me feel like I'm at a more of a recline. So that was a whole big deal there. So, but that I really like that. And trying to think of another mod or anything I did. Oh, I put the cup holder thing over there. That was pretty cool. I recommend that because right now I've got one phone recording on my dash, this catching the selfie deal, and the same cam. I got split view cam on that going, catching the driving and the interview cam, and then the other one actually hooks into where the OS handle is on the glove box. So where that bolt goes in, there's another little cup holder that I got that screws in there. And actually, I've got an extra phone. It's my business line. But whenever I'm going somewhere, I don't know, I throw my Google Maps or whatever on that, or hitting a trail, whatever. You can put your GPS, whatever, right there. Bam. I don't know. I mean, you could probably even, you could put you could fit an iPod there even if you wanted to. Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, that'd work. So, I'd say that'd be cool to do. But so trying to think of anything else I did. Oh yeah. Okay, another thing I did. All right, so in the handle of the Jeep, okay, you got that little groove, okay? Now, there's an alloy little piece that you can buy that goes in there, and it's got the little divots or the little holes, and it's I mean, I think they were like, I don't know, $20, I think, for 5. Was it $20 for 5? I don't know. Anyway, you can get them on. Oh yeah, I can give you a link in the description. But anyway, yeah, I'll do that. I can put a link in the description for that. But it's a little. I'll get a shot and show it. But anyway, what I did was, I ordered them, and then I had a buddy. I had still got a buddy at the paint shop. I had him color code them to my Jeep, and so I've had more compliments on that than you couldn't stand to believe. Also, man, that was crazy too. That was a killer idea. And I saw that somewhere else, and but they didn't have them painted to the color of the Jeep. And then when I had my boy on the paint shop, I was like, man, that'd be so cool. And so we were just chilling one day drinking a beer, and I was like, dude, I said, could you mine being 2010, I was like, you get the paint for my Jeep? He's like, of course, dude. And I said, how much you charge me to paint those? He's like, man, I'll hook you up. I was like, what? I said, I'll have them ordered and down there tomorrow, dude. So I ordered it, and man, now the only thing is about it that I didn't like, and I was kind of worried about, but turned out to be absolutely nothing really, was you've got to tap drill your handles. Okay, so that's the only thing that I didn't like about it was, but you kidding me, man? You kidding me, dude? For real? Snap. But anyway, yeah. So all right. I'll catch you on the next vid. Thank you.